Hello, hello. Hello, hello, guys. So this live stream kind of random. I'm either going to work on a feature I anyway need to ship, or if anyone here have a feature in mind, feel welcome to write me, and maybe we will make it live. But yeah, basically, as you all know, the deadline of the hackathon is the 18th of February. We are very close to the deadline. It's not really clear when they will declare the winners, if it's on the 18, if it's on the 30, or the days in between. In either way, we continue in the same pace. I can tell you that today we already started with, we applied for Y Combinator, which is the biggest accelerator in the world for startups. And also I'm starting to look into getting a CTO. CTO is basically the person that's going to take care of all the technology parts of the platform, because I need to be the CEO and, take it out of me. So yeah, I guess now, let me know if you want me to maybe build a feature you have in mind. I can do it live, or I will just work on something I anyway planned to work on. Most people probably will come at in 5 minutes, but yeah, that's fine. For a long term, of course, I'm going to build it for the long term. I'm already working on it 1 year, and I put a lot of money and effort into it. So yeah, the coin is only very small part of Kolbo.AI. We didn't start at Kolbo.ai for making a meme coin, obviously. And we already have clients. We can't really even stop it. So yeah. I don't really understand what you wrote. I start working on basic platforms and necessary websites. Not sure about it, but let me be clear about something, okay? Kolbo.ai not founded to be a meme coin. It's not our focus. We're not going to talk about it, for example, in our social media too much. It's something we did for the hackathon, and we will continue. But for example, the Discord not meant for the meme coin. You understand what I mean? Right now, the community is in the X. Maybe we will do Telegram. We are now looking into hire community managers, and that's it. The reason why we don't do Telegram now, it's because it's really hard to maintain, and we're anyway kind of all over the place. So we need to do it slowly, step by step. Okay, and anyway, again, everything is kind of towards the hackathon, right? Like if we win the hackathon, it's kind of changed the whole picture anyway, So we will see after the hackathon results. Anyway, I mean, I think it's very clear that I'm all in. We're very transparent. We vested most of the tokens, by the way, the moment we launched the coin. So yeah. Okay, I think I'm just going to build a feature live. So I actually have something already in progress for the visual DNA. I will try to explain in the meantime what I'm talking about. Actually, good question if I still have it here. Not even sure. Hmm. Maybe it's this one. Yeah. So, whoever don't know, this is Kolbo.AI, right? And the platform. And I guess we can just hunt for bugs. There is tons of stuff to do. Or we can start working on the visual DNA, which I kind of anyway wanted to work on. So let's see. Maybe it's this one. Oh, we also have the onboarding experience. Okay, let's work on the onboarding experience. So basically what I'm doing now, I have the onboarding in different branch, meaning imagine like different version of the app. And I worked on it before, like in the past, and I left it alone. So now I need to bring it back. So to do that, basically what we do is merge it back into GitHub. GitHub is like the Google Drive of code, right? And now I'm just going to set it up again, making sure it all works and all good. And then we will see what we have and we will polish the onboarding. Whoever don't know what is onboarding is like an experience you have when you sign up to the platform. Hello, everyone that's joining. Okay. So basically, I'm running now my own version of the platform inside my computer. It will be on localhost 8080. By the way, there is a really beautiful submission, I have to say. I don't like the Sora 2 ones. Oh. Wow. I wonder if Pump Fun's seeing it. Okay. Cool. So that's the API. Okay, soon we could start. Wow, that's kind of actually crazy that people really figuring out how to use Kolbo. Because you need to understand, I have the difficulty that a lot of people don't even understand how to work with it. So it's quite cool. Okay. By the way, I want to do, maybe I will do it tomorrow. Tomorrow maybe I won't have time. Maybe we'll do it on 2 streams, but I want to make a video on Elon, the Pump Fun co-founder. Don't remember how he called himself. Yeah, this guy. So we need to kind of figure it out from his thing. What is this image even? Hmm. You can see I'm always active here. I'm active every day at 12 p.m. East time, which is mine 7 p.m. And it will be like that until the deadline of the hackathon at least. So yeah, quite active. Oh my god, why the launch of the servers taking so long? It drives me crazy. Come on. Oh, finally. Okay, good. We live. Okay, so what we're going to work on now is the onboarding experience. So let me show you what I mean. Now it's going to show the onboarding. Yeah, and basically the onboarding going to ask you, who are you? What you want? Full experience, marketing, visual creator, quick explore. So let's actually change one of them. We want to change the quick explore to student. So let's open that. I will try to show you as much possible my screen. Let me just close everything that might be sensitive. Okay. So this is Cursor, but inside Cursor, which is the code editor, I can launch Claude Code, right? Which right now kind of got fucked. So in the meantime, honestly, I can just say, okay, good, it worked. We're going to polish and work on the onboarding experience. First, we need to change the quick tour to student or something similar experience. We also need probably to edit the actual experience and onboarding accordingly. And now what usually we do in coding, how can I get credit? So let me send you actually a credit code. Soon I will do it. I'll send you onboarding. Let's see. Yeah. So let's send that. In the meantime, let me give away some credits. You guys deserve it, that's for sure. I will give 500 credits now. I think 5 codes. So basically when I give credits, it looks like that. I have like a dashboard. I can just select 5 codes, 500 credits, and I'm generating the codes. So now I'm going to put it in YouTube and in Pump Fun. Let's see. I'm putting now codes. I have put them in YouTube. Now I will put them in the Pump Fun stream. If Kolbo hiring, right now we don't really have money to pay people. I can't even take money. After we will get invested, for sure we will hire. So yeah, I mean, keep in touch. It's always relevant. So again, I have put credit codes that you can use. Basically, if you want to use it, you need to go here, press gift code, put the code, and you will get 500 credits. Let's even do some FOMO to the people in X. You should join our streams. Sometimes we give away free credits. Let's only put it in the community, I think. Okay, cool. So let's get back to business. I will do it again, the guided tour. Okay, which channel do you want to rename to student? Yes, quick explore. What kind of experience should the student path provide? That's actually really good. So that's really good question. I think usually students would want to use mainly the chat tools, maybe the AI docs, probably also make presentations. So sometimes Claude actually asks you questions. Yeah, you can use more than one code if it will still work for you. You need to be quick. I don't know how many people watch. Yeah, you couldn't see my screen because in Xspace I can't really show my screen. I can only show myself. So if you guys want to see it, join the YouTube or the Pump Fun stream. Okay, let's see the onboarding. Okay, so now as you can see, we have here student and not quick. And probably now Claude working on the translations for all the languages. We have like a script that he knows that he can run. Okay. Cool. So now let's start. So as you can see, the interactive onboarding going to tell you this is your project, blah, blah, blah. Got it. Now we tell you where is the create new project. And then sometimes it disappears. So that's something that's repeating on himself. And we're going now to fix that. So now we're going to fix a problem that occurs a lot in the onboarding. A lot of times the highlights, they are offsetted from the actual buttons. For example, with the project selector, when user put his mouse and then out, you just close the project selector, which is problematic, and so on. Okay, something like that. Let's put the image that I just took. Let's continue. Also, after that, when the user, for example, in the AI memories, you just show the dialogue in the middle of page instead of the top right part, and you not highlight the memories table with a dim part in the areas around it. And when user press on the generate memories with AI, it doesn't highlight the generate memories with AI button at all. Okay, let's start with those two and we'll see. In the meantime, a user just sent me a message that they have bug. Let's see. And actually it remind me, okay, so the bug he told me is actually fixed, but it remind me that I need to update the last version maybe, I think. Not even sure. Let's see. He said that the downloading of YouTube videos doesn't work in the desktop app, but it does work. Plugins. Okay, downloaded. By the way, if you didn't know, we have a desktop app. It's amazing. I fucking love it. Okay. And again, I always do a lot of things in the same time. It might be confusing, but this is while Claude's still running, right? I'm still working on those stuff as well. Okay, let's see if it's updated. I think it's not. Yeah, as I thought. Okay. So we have actually the new version, I think. Just need to update it. Let's do it in the meantime. Okay, so every time I'm updating the desktop app, it's kind of annoying, but it's really fast. So I need to go here to what it was, Kolbo Studio. Yeah. And then I just take the two manual files. Basically, it's just all based on a Dropbox link because it can update for the same link. So I put those two files, then I replace. This is the Mac version. I replace its name. This is the Windows version. I replace its name. I put it here and I replace. And I put that one here and I replace. And now we need to delete this zip file. And we need to right click and compress to zip. Okay. Now we replace this one name. And now the moment I put it in a specific Dropbox folder, it actually gets updated in the landing page. And that way, I don't really need to re-upload everything like manually and stuff, but it's still kind of annoying. I wish I had a better way. So I go here to Kolbo, where is it? Kolbo Studio, landing page, main, and I just paste it, replace it, and that's it. That's all I need to do. In the meantime, wow, it takes tons of time. I hope it will be good. And yeah. But it's so cool. It actually tells me when we have an update. I love it. God, it moves slow today. Of course, of course. Thank you. Thank you for joining. So usually after a while, it all gets updated. You can probably see it here somewhere. Although I don't see it. Yeah, okay, it's finished. So now I kind of can try it again. I will just download it and let's see if it will have the new version. God, it takes way too much time. I'm in the meantime with this user that you have a problem, so I'm trying to fix it as well. Let's see. Okay, I'm sending him pictures. My God, it's still thinking. Okay, wait, I'm opening my Mac. He's saying it doesn't work for him. Whoa. Okay, let's see. I see Claude already doing some stuff. Let's tell him yes. In the meantime, I'm checking on Mac what this user complaining about. Okay, I see now. טוב, אתה צודק, פתחתי עכשיו במק, ויכול להיות שיש איזה באג מוזר ספציפית עם מק. הבנתי. זין, בסדר, נפתור את זה. Okay. Fuck. So apparently, we have a problem specifically with Max in the fetching. So that means we need to write it down in the task. I'm going to bugs, desktop app, Mac, Inter, downloader problems. Yeah, all codes used makes sense. That's the point, that people will use them. Okay. Let's see that. Check already completed. Okay. So let's see the changes he done. Restart to. Yeah, and I think I will anyway continue it later on. We'll finish it tomorrow or something. Guys, again, I'm saying I can't live stream my screen in X spaces. It's just a limitation. Even the video I can only do for my phone. I can't even do it for my computer. If you guys want to see my screen, you need to join in PumpFun or YouTube. Okay, full experience. Great, create projects. Create new project. Let's continue with Claude. Tell them. In this scenario of creating the new project, we probably need another step that telling the user to write briefly what is project about. We can always highlight. We can also highlight the microphone button to guide the user that they can simply use his microphone and doesn't even need to type. Someone asked what type of videos I'm expecting for the 30 seconds of video contest. Basically, as much it show like your creative input, and it's not like just AI slop thing. If you actually did some video editing, if you use some sound effects, if you actually created the music externally, you try to make continuous cuts and like the same character in multiple shots. the more I see more effort and that it's not just something the AI spit out, the more I probably will be impressed. If it have a story, it even will be much better. If it have a point, it will be much better. So yeah, that's what we're looking for the contests. In ironic way, we're looking for as much human input in your AI videos. You can see, like in the previous live stream, really cool examples like the penguin video or the slot commercial. That's like just really good examples to really good videos you can make quite fast in Kolbo, but still look really sharp. And as evidence, the slot video become viral in LinkedIn, and the penguin video, I don't know if it was viral, but like people liked it. So something like that. Okay, next. AI memories. Got it. Next. Okay, it doesn't really let the user to do stuff, and it's still bad. Oh, this thing going to be a nightmare to work on. In the meantime, I think would be fun to try and make Elon mascot. So let me tell you how usually I'm doing it. I'm going to the help widget. I'm putting the image references. And I'm just kind of asking image prompt. Again, this is Elon alone, actually, one of the Pump Fund co-founder. So it gave me some kind of prompt, and so now I'm just going to the text to image tool. I'm going to paste it and generate, and I want to see what it will spit out. Now there is a lot of effect. Which model we're using here? So let's look at again on the reference. Why did this snake? I don't know. Try again to understand how this hat looks like. And honestly, some other techniques we can do, we can actually go here, choose something like Nano Banana. Or actually, I usually like to go to the Creative Director tool for those stuff. Drag and drop this image and tell him make variations of angles for that character to recreate it. And we'll do 4 images. In the meantime, let's see how that goes. Mm-hmm. Okay, he kind of did it cool. Why doesn't have a mouth? I think this one is closest, right? Yeah, we hear you.
What are you making now? Like, I can't actually see your screen. Since I'm joining your live from X, so I can't actually see your screen. So what are you making now?
Yeah, you can see my screen because X doesn't allow to share screen in spaces. Even camera, they only allow me to do it through my phone. This is why I show my screen in the Pump Fun streams or the YouTube streams. We share everything in the same time. What I'm making now is two things. Now I'm also working on developing the onboarding experience, and also we're making cool video for Elon, the co-founder of Pump Fun. So we're doing kind of everything in the same time.
That's crazy.
Yeah. But you can go in X to the live stream in YouTube, and I think it will work in your phone.
Yeah, YouTube should work. YouTube should work. But
Sorry, you get cut out. So. Okay, this one is going to. So you know the onboarding stuff, guys. It's really boring stuff, but it's actually extremely important. Most of the people get into Kolbo, they kind of get stuck right in the beginning. So this is what the onboarding is supposed to solve. Just trying to solve for them the whole experience. Got it. Create new projects. I barely hear you, man.
I've been with you guys for like a week or two. I've been following you guys for like a week now.
Yeah.
Sorry about
I barely hear you. You keep getting cut out.
Yeah, it seems I'm logging. Should be network issues. So can you hear me now?
Yeah, kind of. Oh, we just find out we are the winner in like a guy that have like 100K subscribers in YouTube is going to make a video of us.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, wait, I think he sent me a message. Let's see. Okay, I'm sending him now private message. You guys can see it actually live. Yeah, okay, cool. I will talk with him in different tab. Let me open my Telegram. Okay, so guys, that's actually exciting. We got to see it in real time that we won in this competition. I'm now starting to talk with this guy in Telegram.
You have two mics here because it's actually it's echoing over here.
What?
Your sound echoes.
Maybe because it's like from the iPhone. Again, if you will join the actual live stream, you will hear me with my mic, and it will be probably much better. Okay, I'm actually preparing for this guy what he's asking. So now he wants us the website.
No, I don't read the comment.
Yeah, dude, I don't really hear you. So just you can go to the chat in the stream. Sorry.
I just sent a comment. Go check it out.
What?
I sent a comment.
Wait, man, I don't really know what you want. I'm working on something important. Wait, I'm sending this guy a message. Okay, how about review some videos created by the community live on stream? That's actually a really good idea. I think I will do it tomorrow. It's a great idea. We'll do it tomorrow. So let me tell you just what I did right now. So we won in like a small competition of like a guy that review meme coins, I guess. I don't even really sure. Let me see. Yeah, this guy. So his YouTube channel have 105,000 subscribers, even though I don't see the videos have that much views. But of course, it's still worth it. So yeah, I guess it's going to do a video about us. I don't know. Let's see. Free token review giveaway. Yeah. So let's hope it will be worth it. I don't know. Now I will see what he's telling me. Okay, guys, actually, I need to go because it's Valentine's Day and my wife will kill me if not. So thank you so much. As you can see, tomorrow, I think tomorrow we will have a long stream. We will start with reviewing the contest submissions. Again, the deadline is on the 16th, don't worry. And then we will start creating the Elon video. Maybe we'll finish it tomorrow, maybe in 2 days. We'll see. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I see you guys tomorrow in the same time. Okay, 12 p.m. East time, which is 52 minutes before the time we are in now. Bye bye.